Hi guys, today we will see how to install Arduino IDE and how to include libraries in that. So just go to browser and type arduino.cc. Here on the top you can see that small icon softwares. So go on and click on downloads. Just scroll a little bit. Here you can see that links for different OSs. Like if you want to download for Windows, you can see here, and if you are using a MacBook, you can click on here. If you are using Linux machines, you can click on here, these links. So I am using only Windows machine, so I am downloading this. Keep in mind that Arduino is a free source, so you can use it freely. But if you want to contribute some money to Arduino, you can click on here, contribute and download. I am now just downloading. Here you can see that the software is downloading, but actually I have already downloaded the software. Here is the software. So I am installing the software. Next. Now installation process may take some time. Now you can see that the installation process is completed. So click on close. Now open the software. You can see here Arduino. Click on that. There are many example codes which are included in this software. Keeping that aside, if you go to files, you can see that many options like new, open recently, sketchbook and examples. Here you can see that there are many examples which are included in your software itself. So you may know all these options like new, open, save, close. Now we will see some example programs. Just go to files, examples and click on fade. Here you can see that some example program. So now let's see how to dump it in your controller. Now I am plugging in my Arduino Uno controller. After connecting the controller, go to tools and boards. Select the board as Arduino Uno. After selecting the board, go to ports and select the port as COM9. The port is highlighted only when the board is connected and the board is working condition only. Otherwise the port will not be highlighted. If you want to check the board whether it's properly connected and it's working or not, get board info. Click on that. You can see that here the board information. If you want to check whether there is an error or not, on the top you can find that there is a small tick mark that's for compiling, so click on that. On the bottom you can see that done uploading. So now from this you can know that the code is successfully dumped into your controller. For suppose, if you take some examples like LCD crystal, just open liquid crystal. Yes, hello world. Here you can see that there is a library that is hash include liquid crystal.h. For suppose, if you are using other than this which are not included in your software, how to include the libraries? Now I will show how to include the libraries into your software. For suppose I need a fast LED master library that is for pixel LED controlling. So now I want to download that. So go to browser and search for fast LED library. So here is the link, click on that. Here you can see the download link. Now click on that and download the zip file. So now download process is completed. Open the Arduino, go to sketch, include libraries, add zip libraries, then go to downloads. Here you can see that the fast LED master, this is the library which we are including now. So click on OK. Here you can see that library added to your libraries. So we will check it now. Go to examples. Here is the fast LED. You can see that here there are so many examples for this. Like this way we can include our libraries which you need. That's it for now, friends. If you like this video, just like, share and comment to this video. And don't forget to subscribe.